The relationship between a bank and its customers is built on trust, and at the core of that trust is the security and privacy of your financial data. Customers of Peak Bank often ask about the institution's data sharing practices. Peak Bank, like all regulated financial institutions, is bound by strict privacy laws and regulations. Generally, Peak Bank does not sell your personal data to third parties for marketing purposes. However, some data sharing is necessary for the bank to operate and provide its services. This sharing typically falls into a few key categories. Peak Bank must share your information with trusted third-party service providers who perform essential functions on the bank's behalf. This includes companies that process payments, manage statements, handle IT security, and conduct audits. These vendors are under contractual obligation to protect your data and only use it for the specific, limited purposes authorized by the bank. They cannot, for example, use your data for their own marketing. Your data is shared with credit bureaus to maintain accurate credit reports, which is standard practice when you apply for loans or credit cards. Furthermore, Peak Bank must comply with legal and regulatory requirements. If legally compelled, such as by a court order or government investigation, the bank may be required to disclose specific customer data to authorities. This is a non-negotiable legal obligation. If Peak Bank has affiliated companies, e.g., an investment arm, they may share data internally to offer you a broader range of financial products, provided you haven't opted out. Occasionally, they might engage in joint marketing with other financial firms, but any data shared for this purpose must be clearly covered in the bank's privacy policy and often includes an opt-out option for customers. In summary, Peak Bank takes data privacy seriously. While they don't sell your data to random marketers, they do share it responsibly with vetted partners for operations and legally with credit agencies or government bodies when required. Always review the bank's privacy policy on their official website for the most detailed and current information on how your data is handled and your available choices regarding data sharing.